We partner with Innovation Group. They're an international company that provide a number of services across the globe. We are using them in the U.S. for their managed repair network. They have over 2,700 collision repair shops across the U.S., and their shops do provide a lifetime warranty on the quality of the repairs. Innovation Group, our managed repair network, what happens is that we send a request for repairs. We'll go over the shops in the local area with our member. The member will select a shop. We will send that assignment to Innovation, and Innovation will communicate our guidelines to that repair shop. The repair shops are vetted by Innovation. They have a number of KPIs that they manage through on a monthly basis. To become a partner on the program, the shop has to show their industry certifications such as ICAR Platinum and Gold class certifications, that they have the type of equipment necessary to do the repairs, that they have many of the necessary OEM certified repair qualifications, and that they meet the minimum liability insurance standards and requirements. And these are also managed and updated throughout the year with these repair networks. If at any time any of the shops fall behind or fail to meet or maintain their standards, they are removed from the program. So Innovation does have strict quality control and ensure the quality of the repair shops, and Innovation will stand behind the lifetime warranty of that shop. This is kind of a map, if you will, of the managed repair shop network of Innovation. I know it's kind of busy and doesn't go into so much detail, but you can see there's many shops in most of the standard metropolitan areas across the U.S. There's a saying with Innovation that 85% of the residents in the U.S. are within 20 miles of an Innovation-sponsored repair facility. So we've got a pretty good ability to make sure there's at least one repair shop within 25 miles for our members.